Ano to? I want this, this one. Cat lover. Manifest. Make me 4-star, guys. 4-star. What is that? I want this. You want this, baby Jan? Let's come on. Thank you, Pancho. 100 Pancho. Follow ba? Okay, I followed you. Po 100 nyo ako. Ang linis mo. Do you miss Alo? Thank you, babe. Sana mo sa po class check. Do you miss me, Jan? Ay, bilat. Ay, gosh. Sorry, my mouth is very, Thank you, Jo. Congratulations. Nanalo siya, oh. Bigay mo na yan sa akin, Jo, kasi nanalo ka. Kiss me gift lang. Going great. Thank you, Ram. This, I know, Jan. You miss my, my feet. My feet all over my, Thank you, Jeff. Shout out. Tingin dito. Ba't kayo tingin dito sa akin? Sasali ba kayo? Bigyan niyo ako tagwa 1K. Para sa kota to, Bashi. Kaya dito muna. Mag-participant muna tayo dito. Walang hiya-hiya na to, guys. Ina naman to para sa kota. I'm shy to John, I'm shy to show my feet. My feet. Because my feet is very dirty. Only my promises, land is not dirty. Thank you, babe. You want to see my, my, my landmark? Promising this one. Oh, no. Thank you. Thank you, John. So nice. Oh! Cheers. Ay. Thank you, Jock. This, so. Oh my God, nagsusugal siya. Sana manalo, no? Thank you, Marcos. Oh, shit. Malat. Thank you. Thank you so much, babe. Another one. A one cat lover. Hi, Vin. Hello, thank you. Wow, so nice. Lex, hi Lex. Azzy, welcome back, Azzy. Thank you, Jan. I want I want cat lover or kiss me give manifest. Oh my God, make me 4-star. Make me 4-star, guys. Ang ina naman. Hi guys, shout out. Shout out everyone. Okay, I kill you. Dead body. Over your, you want this? Okay. I kill you, I, you're so funny, Jan. My God. You make me laugh a lot. Thank you. Hala. Little thank you. Make me 4-star. Oh my God. I did not expect. Thank you so much. But I cannot, I cannot record. You got, you make me surprise. What the hell? Sana may magpa-summer. Guys, pakutahin nyo na ako. Konti na lang yung quota ko. Ala, thank you. Thank you, John. 7K na lang, guys. To quota. 7K to quota. Wait lang. Ano ko muna to? Burahin ko muna to. Help nyo ko, guys. Help nyo ko. DQ, hello.